We are Asier and David of the past, and now we are doing the time capsule. This is a project that is consists of try to guess what the week will be like before our graduation. Today is 1 week left our graduation. Today we must buy the suite to go with an elegant outfit. During the week we should send invitations to our family.
Today is one day before the graduation. We very excited, and the most go to the high dresses. Next, preparing to the prom party. Spend I the day preparing the prom party. We will go to the sleep early because tomorrow we must get up at 7 o'clock. When we get up, when we'll very nervous feast has breakfast, and decide get dressed and finish the details of the party.
The graduation will start at 16 and now it's 15. We decide to go to the playground of the high school and we talk a lot. When it's 15:45, we go to the graduation and the graduation starts. When the teacher says our names, we receive a diploma. When the graduation finishes, we go to a restaurant with a lot of friends to celebrate that we finished fourth of ESO. This is our video. We hope you like it.